Hi guys, it's your girl V. Welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that are not aware, I have started doing more cosplay looks because I've noticed that a lot of people like to see those. You don't see it as much on like people of color. So here's my Yoruichi look. I decided to film a little bit about it. So here is the wig that I got. I purchased this off Amazon. I'm sorry, I don't know why this is so blurry, but I didn't realize it was blurry. And I'm going to use this ribbon. I purchased this from Walmart. It was about $3. And this fabric material for like the other excess material in the costume. So basically we're taking this material. I got this from Walmart as well, and I can't remember how much it was, maybe $6. We're going to measure like my arm's length, and we're just going to make these fit because they go around like the arm area. And then the ribbon will be wrapped around it. I'll probably include a picture for reference so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about, like how it's supposed to use. So here I am trying on this wig, and yes, it's synthetic, and y'all know if you use a synthetic wig, you have to put some work in. I was actually trying to get it to stick up a little bit more, but it was like too silky for me to get it to like stiffen out. If you guys have any tips on how to make it more easier to mold, then let me know. I did try the freeze spray by Got to Be, but I still can get that to work. All right, so I'm trying to get the, standard Yoruichi like ponytail, but of course the way this hair is, it's like a clip-on, and I was noticing that the ponytail wasn't as thick as I wanted it to be, but I just kind of had to finesse it and keep clipping it. It's just like having a clip-on ponytail. Y'all remember those? Like, girl. But yeah, so I took some fabric and I wrapped it around it because that's what she has around her ponytail. And now I'm going to show you guys the costume. I got this costume off of AliExpress. I will put a link down below for you guys that are interested. I'm not too happy with the costume, to be honest. It's really easy to buy one, but it just didn't fit the way I needed it to. I didn't like how shiny this material was. I would prefer if it was like a dark black or whatever. But for my first time, I didn't want to have to really make anything, although we did end up making other parts of this costume because it did not come with it. This part right here, I really thought was cute, but it had no stretch and it was extremely small. Like without a bra or anything, I could barely zip it up. And this was in a size large, guys. Like this is a size large. So these are definitely like Asian sizes. So, and I'm not even that big and I'm using a large. I did like the jacket. Some of the stitching was a bit off, as you guys will see when I actually close it up. And then it just like, the way you closed it, it had this weird, it had the tie strings in weird position. So I don't know. Next time I do one, I'll probably try to make my own. But if you see it has this white string under my armpit, then it's one inside the coat. And I just don't know how that was supposed to work. So yeah, the quality of this was good as far as like the material, but the stitching kind of sucked. So I just kind of had to like go with the flow since I had already spent my money on it or whatever. As you see, I'm in my jammies because I'm not there yet. All right, so I just wanted to come back to show you guys kind of how I finalized the way the hair is gonna look, like this with the ponytail. Did the best I could, you know what I'm saying? And boom. So here is the cosplay once we finished everything. Those are the arm pieces I was talking about with the ribbon around, and I put some around the waist as well. As you can see, the shiny blackness, I don't like that, but I figured to go ahead and go along with it. I might make an updated Yoruichi costume to just like so you guys can follow my journey. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. And I'm gonna have a closing at the end, but I just wanted to show you guys what my Yoruichi cosplay was and how I kind of like what I kind of go through when I do these looks for my cosplay page. If you're interested in that, my cosplay page is Cosplay with B on Instagram, and I'll link it down below for you guys. Alright guys, so I just finished taking some pictures, and hopefully I get them on the gram. My Instagram for my cosplay page is Cosplay with B, so make sure you guys check it out. I will link it down below, but this is what I finished with. Guys, check out my Instagram so you can see some of the photos from the finished look. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay.